Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every. And wash me over until my will runs dry. What's up, babes and baby dolls, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all already can tell I have on my pajamas. It is 11:02. Like, I'm kind of like stuck in the house, so I was like, maybe I should just like show the babes how I get down. We're getting all cute. So in today's video, I will be doing my makeup, and I also am going to be styling my hair in a really cute style because I just did a wig install video. I only straightened it, like, this is 24 inches, by the way. I have it in a clamp. It's really cute like this, but I only straightened the hair, so I have decided that I am going to give y'all a cute little what should I call this, more of a get ready with me, but I'm not going nowhere, if that makes sense. I like to dress up. I like to take pictures, take all my own pictures, not all of them, but most of the time I take my own pictures with my phone just for Instagram. Y'all can follow me on Instagram at IBJanelle. But we gonna get straight into it. First I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm going to do my hair. Also, we will be kind of like chit-chatting in between. But yeah, we gonna get straight. One of the first things that I want to start off by doing is moisturizing my face. This is the turmeric and vitamin C oil from Face by Jazz. I will link her Instagram right here, and you all can go follow her and check out her skincare line. I'm going to just like drop one here, just to kind of give my face a little moisture. A smooth base on top of smooth skin is just like, it's an A+. But yeah, check out her skincare line, y'all. And she has really good before and afters. Like, I approve. It's legit. So I'm going to take my beauty blender. I'm going to start my foundation, like damp this on my face like such. And don't panic, girl. I know it looks just like it's a little bit dark. Sometimes we getting scared, but it's gonna work out. Watch. It's 2022 and we are in a whole new year. Everything looks really natural. Like they say, I'm gonna test this out. Now keep in mind, I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my Whoa. I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown highlight under my eyes. Darling, this is what we are looking like. See? Then I go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte. This NARS. This is in the color Walnut. Then I take my sponge and I begin blending. On my story, I screenshotted them. My question was, what makes relationships work? And someone responded and said, trust for me. I totally agree with that. If I can't trust you, we cannot be together. I'm sorry. I will drive myself cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, trying to figure out, like, my mind wondering, like, oh my god, I don't really trust this guy. What is he doing when he's not with me? If he's with who he really say he's with,
Or is he just feeding me just a bunch of bull crap and playing games with me? Like, well, this not gonna work, because for one, I'm not gonna drive myself nuts wondering about you, trying to figure out if you're genuine. Really cute. I was debating if I wanted to put lashes on top of my extensions, because girl, I gotta get to my lash stick. I got to get to my lash tack, and I've been in the house quarantining, y'all, so your girl probably might be looking a little rough. So I'm going in on my banana powder. First, I'm gonna do my brows, far them out just a little bit. Nothing too major. Again, this is a quick little natural glam, and we're gonna do our hair. Now I'm going to clean it up with my Morphe M224, this flat oval brush. I had to go get me Morphe setting spray, and I'm gonna spray my face. And I'm gonna do my hair. Okay, babe, so this is the finished look of this one curl on my ginger hair from UNice hair. I wanted to, like, again, like I said, I want to do some curls and stuff. So thank you all for tuning in with me tonight on today's video. It is currently 1:58, like it's 1:58 in the morning, and I just got dolled up for nothing. Everybody like to FaceTime me while I'm getting ready and ask me, where you think you going? I ain't going nowhere. I just like to get cute. Oh, it's giving me very much Brave. Is that a Disney? Yeah, it is a Disney movie. But this is giving very much Brave. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what you all think of this look. Follow me on the gram. Comment down below if you would like to see more makeup looks, more glams, more of me basically just becoming a baby doll, like a babe, turning into a babe with no sugar daddy. Stop playing. Like, leave a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, babes and baby dolls. And like, hold on, wait. Man, I'm going faster than Amazon Prime.